Wow, look everyone. Wow, there are so many toys covered in mud. Wow, really muddy. All right, everyone, let's gather them all up. Oh, I've already prepared a place to put them. Okay, let's take this one first. Hey, what is this? Wow, it's so dirty. Haha, so cool. Wow, awesome. This must be a deer. Wow, what kind of vehicle is this? Looks like a motorcycle. Wow, and here must be a helicopter. This vehicle looks so strange. And this one must be a lion. Wow, this is a vehicle with a gun, so cool. And this looks like a bear. Wow, and here's a horse, so dirty. And this one has wings. It must be an airplane. Look, it's definitely a helicopter. Here's another red vehicle, so beautiful. And finally, what's this vehicle with a ladder? I've gathered all the toys. Now let's go clean them together. Now let's clean them together. What should we start with? Oh, look, that's a horse. What's next? Which one should we clean now? Oh, look, this is a panda. What's next? Which one should we clean now? Look, it's a red police car. Wow, that's crazy. It's a lion. Oh, look everyone, here's a motorcycle.
22 juga memungkinkan mereka untuk bisa bermanuver dengan sudut-sudut yang benar.
Oh, this is a rescue vehicle. So cool, this is a helicopter.
Vrij.
Oh wow, so dirty. It's a jet airplane. Oh, look everyone, here's a tank. Oh, that's a deer. Oh, here's another helicopter. Oh, what's this? It's a rescue vehicle. All right, everyone, look. All the muddy toys have been cleaned up. Goodbye for now.